how to create your own voice using AI that you can be using for your voiceover videos. If you are doing storytelling videos, you can use this method I'm going to show you right now to create your own voiceover. In fact, how you are going to clone your voice. Anything you want your voice to say, something like this.
After preparing dinner, cleaning the kitchen, and caring for the children, Amina gathered the strength to ask Musa for a small favor. She hoped he would understand how.
Now you see this I created using AI, and you can see the voice over there was my voice. So I'm going to show you how you are going to turn your own voice into voiceover, how you can turn any text into your voice using AI. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started.
Let me show you how you are going to clone your voice. Maybe you want to create your own AI voice using your own voice. This is how you are going to do it. Just head over to this website. The link to this website is going to be on my WhatsApp group or my Telegram channel. Just go to it. You are going to get the link to this website. And the link to my WhatsApp group or my Telegram channel is going to be in the description of this video. So when you register on the website, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you are going to see AI, YouTube, all this translation, all these things. You are going to see them. I'm going to show you how you are going to use them. But right now we are into AI voice. As you can see AI voice here, you click on this AI voice. Now when you click on AI voice, you are going to see text to speech, how you can do text to speech, AI podcast generator, AI voice cloning, AI voice designer, AI voice generator, all these things you are going to see them. Now you can start by AI voice cloning. Just click on AI voice cloning. And when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You can record your own voice. You can just click on record to clone. You can start recording, or you can click on design voice, or if you have your own record on your phone. Now I have my own record on phone. I'll just click on upload audio. So when you click on upload audio, it will take you to your phone. You can upload your own voice. Now this is my voice. Let me select my voice here. Voice up here, this one here. Now when you click your own voice, this is your voice. It's going to upload the voice. Now after you upload the voice, the next thing you are going to do is to click on clone. As you can see, clone voice here, and it's going to clone the voice and generate the voice for you. So as you can see, this is the voice I clone. This is the voice I clone below here. This is the voice I'm using right now. So after, as you can see, after preparing dinner, cleaning the... So this is the voice I cloned. Now after you clone your own voice, you just click on clone voice like this, and it's going to start generating your voice. As you can see, cloning voice is cloning the voice right now. It has cloned the voice. As you can see, this is the voice here. Let me play it.
You have the power to grow every single day.
Now, after you clone the voice, your own voice, you just click on save and use. As you can see, save and use. You click on save and use. Now after you click on save and use, you can now go back. If you want to now do text to your voice, you just click on AI voice again. Now when you click on AI voice again, the next thing you click on text to speech. As you can see, text to speech, you click on text to speech. Now when you click on text to speech, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now this is where you are going to upload your own text. Now let me go and copy my text, maybe the text I want to use. This is the text I want to use. My voiceover, I'll just select everything. After selecting it, I will bring it back to the website, and I'm going to paste it here. And after I paste it, the next thing, you are going to select your voice here. As you can see, this is where you are going to select your voice. Just bring it to this voice here. Now you bring it to my voice. You click on my voice. Now that voice clone that you just cloned a moment ago, that voice, you are going to see it here. You select the voice. As you can see, this is the voice I cloned. Now after I select the voice, I will click on go back. Now the voice has been selected. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate speech. So it's going to use this my voice to write all this speech I paste here. It's going to use it to generate the speech for me. Now it has generated.
The operating room doors slowly opened, carrying Amina toward a moment that would...
Now it has generated, as you can see, just the way it says. Now as you can see, said the operation room doors slowly opened. Now if I play it, you are going to see using my own voice.
Change her family's future forever. As the operating room doors slowly opened, carrying Amina toward a moment that would change her family's future forever.
Now, as you can see, it has cloned the voice, remove all the background noise, all those things. It has used my own voice to generate it. And you can also use this to edit your videos. So after that, I'll just click on download, and I'm click on MP3, and I'm going to download it to my phone. Now I can go to like CapCut and add it to my video background. Let me show you how I would use it now on my video background. This is just a bonus tip. Now this is CapCut. This is my story, the story I'm working on right now. This is the story. This is where I want to start adding it. Because I'm editing, I'll just click on audio, and I'll click on sound, and The next time I'll click on file here. I'll click on device. So I'm going to search for the name of the voiceover. I already know the name. Now I've added to my video. Let me play it. You guys are going to see.
Everything
The
will be
operating room
fine.
doors slowly opened, carrying Amina toward a moment that would change her family's future forever. As doctors prepared for surgery, she silently prayed for her baby and for the family waiting on the other side.
So this is it. Now you can now say you can just edit your video, use the clone voice of your own voice. If you don't know how to do it or you want more explanation, you can chat me up. Or if you want to create story videos using your own voice as a voiceover, you can also chat me out and I'm going to cheat you. But no, it is not free. Note, it is not free. You have to pay for my one-on-one class before I can teach you. So see you guys on my next video.
Now you have seen everything, how you are going to clone your voice, how you are going to do text to speech using your own voice. You have seen everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.